Welcome back to Caravan Nest. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because today we are diving into something truly spectacular, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a luxury mansion on wheels, a masterpiece of engineering and design that combines comfort, technology, and elegance in a way only Mercedes can deliver. Now, when we talk about motorhomes, we usually think of cozy pampers or family RVs made for long road trips. But Mercedes-Benz has redefined what it means to live and travel on the road. They've taken the luxury and sophistication of their high-end cars and merged it with the functionality of a rolling home. The result? A futuristic motorhome that feels more like a five-star hotel than an RV. So buckle up, because we're going to take you on a full tour of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, luxury on wheels. First, let's talk about the design and exterior. The very first thing you'll notice is the sleek aerodynamic body. Mercedes didn't just build a box on wheels. They sculpted this motorhome with the same design philosophy as their luxury sedans and SUVs. Smooth curves, sharp LED lighting, and a commanding front grille give it that unmistakable Mercedes-Benz identity. The front end looks powerful, almost futuristic, with its large star emblem glowing proudly in the center. The LED headlights stretch into the sides, creating a high-tech look that feels straight out of a concept car. The sides are smooth and streamlined, reducing drag for better fuel efficiency. And the overall stance of the vehicle? Elegant, modern, and intimidating in the best way possible. One of the standout exterior features is the extendable sections. Yes, just like some of the most advanced RVs in the world, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome has hydraulic slide-outs that expand when parked. This transforms the interior space, giving you the room of a small apartment once you settle in for the night. And let's not forget the rooftop terrace. That's right, on top, you'll find a luxury lounge area where you can sit back, enjoy a glass of wine, and watch the sunset. Imagine parking at a beach, raising the terrace, and having a private rooftop party under the stars. That's the level of luxury Mercedes is aiming for.
Now let's step inside, because this is where the magic truly happens. The interior of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is a jaw-dropping experience. The design philosophy is a blend of modern minimalism and high-end comfort. Picture soft ambient lighting, luxurious leather seating, wood and marble accents, and high-tech controls seamlessly integrated into the environment. The living area greets you first. Plush leather sofas line the space with a central table that can be adjusted for dining, working, or lounging. The sofas aren't just sofas. They convert into recliners or even extra sleeping spaces with the push of a button. Mercedes wanted to make sure that everything inside this motorhome serves multiple purposes without sacrificing luxury. Now, back to the interior. The kitchen is an absolute marvel. Forget cramped little RV stoves and mini fridges. This is a fully equipped gourmet kitchen, complete with induction cooktops, a convection oven, a full-sized refrigerator, and even a built-in coffee machine. High-end materials like stainless steel and polished stone give it that modern home feeling. And yes, there's even a smart pantry system that tracks your groceries and tells you when you're running low. Right next to the kitchen is the dining area, where large windows provide panoramic views of the outside world. Imagine having breakfast with sunlight pouring in, or a candlelit dinner overlooking the mountains. Now, let's head to the bedroom. Mercedes-Benz went above and beyond to create a master suite that rivals luxury hotels. A king-size bed with memory foam and climate control ensures you get the perfect night's sleep no matter where you are parked. Above, ambient ceiling lights mimic the night sky, giving you a relaxing atmosphere at the touch of a button. The bedroom storage is also impressive.
With built-in wardrobes, underbed compartments, and smart closets that organize your clothes, you'll never feel cramped. Of course, no luxury motorhome is complete without a bathroom, and Mercedes has delivered here as well. Think marble countertops, rainfall showers, heated floors, and even a smart mirror with touchscreen controls. You'll forget you're in a vehicle entirely. It feels like stepping into a luxury spa. But luxury isn't just about looks. It's also about technology and innovation. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is equipped with a smart home system that controls lighting, climate, entertainment, and security, all from a central touchscreen or even your smartphone. Want to dim the lights, close the blinds, and start a movie? Just one tap and it's done. The entertainment system is top of the line, featuring a 4K projector that transforms the living room into a private cinema. A surround sound system ensures crystal clear audio whether you're watching movies or streaming music. And of course, connectivity is a must. With a built-in satellite internet system and 5G compatibility, you can stay connected anywhere in the world. This motorhome isn't just for vacations. It could be a mobile office, a creative studio, or even a full-time home. Now, let's talk about performance and engineering, because Mercedes-Benz never compromises here. Under the hood, the 2026 Motorhome features a powerful hybrid engine, combining diesel efficiency with electric motors for smooth, quiet travel. The hybrid system reduces fuel consumption and emissions while also providing the torque needed to move such a massive vehicle effortlessly.
Handling is enhanced with advanced suspension systems, making even long trips comfortable and stable. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating winding mountain roads, this motorhome drives like a dream. And yes, it comes with off-grid capabilities. With solar panels on the roof, a powerful battery system, and water recycling technology, you can live comfortably off the grid for days, even weeks, without worrying about hookups. Finally, let's talk about the lifestyle this motorhome represents. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's for the traveler who doesn't want to compromise between luxury and freedom. It's for those who want to wake up in Paris, have lunch in the Swiss Alps, and end the evening by the Italian coast, all without ever leaving the comfort of their home. Of course, luxury like this doesn't come cheap. While Mercedes hasn't announced the official price yet, experts predict it could range anywhere between $1.5 million to $2.5 million, depending on customizations. That's more than most houses. But then again, this is a house that moves wherever you want it to. So, there you have it, the breathtaking 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, luxury on wheels. From its futuristic design and 5-star interior to its cutting-edge technology and sustainable engineering, this motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's the future of luxury travel. Would you want to live in one of these? Or maybe take it on a once-in-a-lifetime road trip around the world? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Caravan Nest for more tours of the most incredible motorhomes and luxury vehicles in the world. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming big and keep rolling forward.